Sanibonani bafethu, laba bangazi-ke bafethu-ke thina as amasosha each and every year senza into ebizwa ukuthi healthy walk, you understand? Healthy walk at the same time it's a peace walk whereby as black people siya-unite as amasosha, as a black nation, sibambisane sibonise abantu ukuthi i-fitness ne-unity is very important-ke. Lana sesifikile kwi-venue bafethu as I make this mini vlog. Le i-venue yethu iseZulu mesinzela eJohannesburg, you understand, Zulik. So sekufikiwe-ke lana-ke thina sesifike before-ke abanye baseza basawalker-ke. So mase sifika lana-ke laba sebhizi balungisa i-sound system, balungisa i-stage kwenzela ukuthi i-program izohamba kahle, because at the same time lana we were giving awareness to those who are disabled, you understand, laba abadinga i-special needs, you understand, because mesibacelebrate at the same time siba-acknowledge, you understand. So one of the things about us bafethu thina silidwa inkosi yomoya, which like Baba Zulezwe, yabo inkosi yomoya-ke inkosi yamakhosi yomoya kusho ukuthini lokho? Kuloko kusho ukuthi under his guidance as amasosha. So uyena usifundisayo ukuthi as black people kumele sizazi, sazi identity yethu and sizithande njalo, yayibona lento leyo, sizazi undermine and sizi-embrace ukuthi yayibona lento leyo, and silandele nendlela zokhokho bethu ngokweqiniso. So sesifikile-ke lana-ke bafethu, ngokumnandi kunjana kusaprepariwa, and we are here, we are waiting for more, you understand. Le inkosazana yami bafethu, yabona si-highlight to the vlog. Okay, no problem guys. And then samile sisenjalo-ke sibona ubuhle bale ndawo bafethu nangale ndlela eyenziwa ngakhona, yayibona into leyo, si-witnessa amandla we-African indigenous spirituality bafethu, yayibona into leyo. And then nathi siya-witness ukuthi azini kahle kahle as black people siyakwazi bayi-part of into ezinhle, yayibona into leyo bafethu. Into ezifana nalezo bafethu thina abantu abamnyama like asizazi, yayibo, thina shayela ukuthi as umuntu omnyama like we're not with it, zonke izinto lezo. But here SB Radebe Foundation bafethu isenza sizibona ukuthi no, actually kahle kahle nyani as black people like deserve more, and like sinevilo nathi singabantu, yabo. So it's one of those events ezihlezi zisiqhuqhuzela zisivuselela as amasosha bafethu. So I'm sharing this words because ngifuna nani be-inspired bafethu, nibone ukuthi abantu abamnyama siyakwazi ukwenza into zethu and be successful without umuntu omhlophe, yayibona into leyo. And ayikho le saying ukuthi umuntu omnyama ngaphandle komlungu ngeke abe yilutho, that's a lie. Lana-ke sesiphakathi nezama-artist bafethu, siphakathi lana-ke kuzokuhlela khona ama-artist la bafethu, because in this event mokhona ama-headline afana nabo uMafikizolo, lo uMaskandi, uNkosazana